Good morning. It is June 17th, 2025. I'm going to do this a little early today. It's 11:30. So we still have time, about an hour and a half before the market closes to the public, about 2.5 hours until it closes for the day. What I am guessing is this is a look at the daily chart. It really just looks like we're in a range. So you have overlap these past 6-7 days. So I'm guessing that the Bears are trying to just maybe take back the move from yesterday, and the Bulls are trying to just create another higher low. So that's what's going on today. It's been a downward bias day. Let's take a look at when this move came at the end of yesterday. Is that when? Or is this is the sell-off from when the market opened on Sunday? And so I'm just guessing we're making a second leg down. So that's probably what this bull bar is from, is people taking profits. But there's still some selling going on, so you don't want to be long just yet. So again, yesterday it looks like we were in this spike and bear channel, a broad bear channel. And today we broke out of that channel. We formed this double bottom, and that double bottom created a spike and broad bull channel that broke this larger broad bear channel. And once that faded, at around 9:30 this morning, we began selling off, and I like getting short even after this break because this channel down looks stronger than this broad bear channel. It looks stronger than this broad bull channel. It just looks like a tight bear channel. And that's why I think it's reasonable to get short in here. But anyway, let's take a look. So in the overnight, we had this sell-off, correct back to the EMA. You get this double bottom. I think you can go long here. You're in a broad bear channel and you're near the lows of the channel. So that'd be a good move if you got in on that 97. So if you rode it to the top, that's a 18-point move. And that forms this spike and channel. And it's really hard to, again, yesterday we had this trending trading range to the low side, and this looks like a trending trading range to the high side. There's a upward bias, but you're not really able to determine that until here. And this just looks like sideways stuff. So you get this overshoot of this channel, and then you get two legs back, and then it makes this double top. You want to be selling with limit orders in these broad channels, selling near the highs and buying near the lows. So I think if you are anticipating a double top right here, that is a great place to get short. But you got to be quick to exit because we're making higher lows. So it could break out to the high side at any point. But turns out to be a good move. We find support, make a couple more higher lows. So let me draw this. You can see we're still making higher lows, but after making this double top, we make some lower highs, and the bears just take over. So you get this lower high. I don't think it's the greatest place to go short. At this point, you're probably thinking go long. But when it breaks lower and then you find resistance right there, it's clear that we're in a bear channel. So you could bet on this being a bear channel right here with a limit order. Again, this is a place you would need to exit quickly if you're wrong. But you pretty much get instant feedback here, and it goes lower, and then you get a break, and then you get a strong sell off. So that's a sell climax, uh, followed by another sell climax, and then this third is a weaker sell climax. So this might be a nice buy right here. Again, a situation where you would want to exit quickly if you're wrong. But one push down, two push down, three push down, this could be a wedge bottom. um, so that's how I've seen it so far this morning. Again, we got an hour and a half until 1 o'clock, 2.5 hours until 2 o'clock. So a lot can happen between now and then. But on the daily chart, doesn't look like we'll get a whole lot more selling um, today. So I think there's more room to the upside right now. So that's all for today. I'll be back tomorrow.